Hello.
Hello,
Good evening.
evening.
How are you? My name is Teacher Berlin Lu of 51 Talk. What is your name?
My name is Jeffrey.
Hello, Jeffrey. How are you tonight?
I'm so happy.
Wow, very good. Teacher is happy too. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
You're so intelligent, kid, huh? Did you eat your dinner already?
Yes, I eat my dinner and I'm ready.
Already. Now, let's go. Now, listen to teacher and eyes on teacher. Eyes on teacher. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go, Jeffrey. And let's start. Okay, Jeffrey. Can you drag? Can you drag according to the rank?
Yeah.
Oh, you have a mask color red, huh?
Uh,
Can you drag according to the rank? Who is the first?
yes, I can.
Yes, very good. Mm-hmm.
Mm, Timmy is first.
Mm-hmm. Timmy is the first.
Cindy is second, and Steph
Very good.
third.
Very good, Jeffrey. I'll give you your first star. Ding, 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 ding. Very good. Timmy is the first. Cindy is the second. A scissor. All right. Cindy is the second and Sam is the third. Very good. Very great. Now, oh, look, Jeffrey, what can you see in the picture? What
I
is
can
that?
see a goat,
Yes, a coat. Mm-hmm.
a girl.
Girl, can let's see if teacher has a goat. Oh, you see a goat like this one.
Ooh, yeah.
Goat and a
A
girl.
goat.
All right. Very good observation, Jeffrey. A goat and a girl. Now, Jeffrey, can you read our topic for tonight?
John and the goat.
Yes, very good. Can you say Joanne?
John.
Very good. Joanne and the goat.
John
Now, le.
the goat.
Very good. All right. Okay, now let's listen, let's clump, and let's chant. Let's listen, okay? Okay. Now, can you read, clap, and chant? Let's go, Jeffrey.
Goat and toad. Rowed the boat. Goat is on the road. Toad is on the boat.
Very good. Intelligent, Jeffrey. Very good. Goat and toad. Road and boat. Goat is on the road. Toad is on the boat. Very good. Another star for you. And teacher will give you a jung 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 jung. What's this? Mr. Burger. I'll give you a Mr. What's that? Oh, a chicken feet.
Yes.
Do you eat chicken feet? Do you
Yes.
like to eat? Yes, teacher also likes barbecue chicken feet. All right, Jeffrey. Now, what's that? Wings, chicken wings?
Yes.
Ah, teacher. What else do you have there? Do you have Do you have
I have
a
duck's leg.
wow? Wow.
And
Are
fish.
you what's that?
That is fish.
A fish. A fried fish?
Yes.
Very good. I like fried fish also. Teacher will look. Okay, yummy, yummy. Okay, let's hear this one, Jeffrey.
Oh. Goat.
Oh, goat. Very good. Oh, is for goat. Can you say goat?
Goat.
Very good. Very good pronunciation. Goat. How about this one? You say, oh, goat.
Oh, goat. Oh,
Very good. Oh, goat. Very good. Okay, how about this one, Jeffrey? Can you say, oh, coat?
coat.
Very good. Coat.
Coat.
Yes, very good. Coat. Very good job, Jeffrey. Now let's go. Can you read this one, please? What's this?
This is road.
Very good. Go. Road. How about this one?
Boat. Boat.
Very good. Very good. All right, teacher was very happy. I will give you what's this? Dinosaur, dragon, color. What color is this dragon?
It's the yellow.
Yellow, very good, because you're so intelligent. Now, let's have a game, okay? Now, there are two baskets, the O sound and the A sound. Can you? What's the word for number one? Can you guess?
Coast.
Very good. Close. How about the number two? What's that?
Oak.
Oh, very good again. How about the number three? All right, you already guessed. Snail. And the number four. What's the number four?
Solo.
Can you say sailor?
Sailor.
All right, very good. Okay, that's fine. Sailor is for one. How about the number five? What's the number five?
Male.
Very good, Male. You got it. All right. Oh, very good job. Teacher will give you a. What is this?
Pizza.
Pizza and French fries. French fries. And what's this?
Chicken.
Fried chicken. Very good. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry already. Teacher is hungry already. Okay, let's go. Wow, you have a cup. What's that cup? A Converse cup? Very nice cup, huh? Oh, nice cup there. Teacher will find a cup too. Look.
Wow.
Look at teacher. Okay, Jeffrey, can you guess what's the word? Combine it with letter stack. How about this one? We have the O sound with letter S. So, what do you think it is? Whoa, very nice eyeglasses, huh? Can you guess? What's the word?
Soap.
Very good. Soap. Very good job. So, like that one. How about this one? Can you guess?
Coat.
Very good. Coat. Let's see. And the coat is there. Very good, Jeffrey. Very nice. How about that one? What's that?
Low.
Very
No.
good. All right. Nice job there, Jeffrey, huh? Okay, let's have a story time. But before that, teacher will change. I will change my outfit into like, look.
Oh, Dad. Oh.
All right. Okay. Now, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. It's story time, and let's have a storytelling. Can you read the title again, Jeffrey? What's this again?
Joan and the coat.
Very good. Joanne and the coat. Now, can you encircle? Where is Joanne? Where is Joanne? Where are you,
There.
Joanne?
There. No, chew it.
Joanne and the goat and the Joanne and the goat. Very good. Nice one. Okay, let's hear this one. Okay. Can you read? With chant? Joanne saw a goat with a new coat. Okay, it's your turn, Jeffrey.
New coat.
All right. Joanne saw a goat with a new coat. All right, very good. Okay.
Oh.
Grandpa. Grandpa looks young, huh? Grandpa looks young.
He play ping pong every day.
Ping pong? Like table tennis?
Yes, table tennis.
Yeah. Do you like also table tennis?
Yes.
Teacher also loves table tennis and badminton.
I like basketball.
Well,
Swing.
basketball. Let's see if teacher has a ball. Where is teacher's ball? Oh, teacher's ball is gone. I have a basketball. Let's see. Oh, nothing. Okay, let's go back to this one. Joan saw a goat with a new coat. How about another chant? Okay, can you make another chant? Okay.
Joe saw a goat on the road with a toad.
Okay. All right. Now, where is the toad? Can you encircle the toad?
The toad is there. Very, very small.
Yes, very good. Beside the goat. All right. Joan saw a goat on the road with a toad. All right. Another star for you. Let's see. Very good job, Jeffrey. Teacher, well. All right. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for dinner, Jeffrey? Did you eat a fried fish and chicken feet?
And there's some rice.
Wow. Did you eat lots of rice?
I like rice.
Yes, teacher also likes rice. Let's see if teacher has a rice here. Jong jong, jarang jong. Teacher like this one. Yum, yum, yum.
Noodle.
Noodles and how about look what I've got, teacher.
Banana.
Banana. Let's see if teacher has a banana.
Wait, I have a banana too.
Well, okay, teacher will wait. Where is the banana? Wow, lots of banana there, huh? Wow. You have how many bananas? You have
I
four
have,
bananas?
yes, 4 bananas.
Right, four bananas. And okay, now let's play a game. Which is the goat? Can you guess which is the goat?
Right. The
Very
goat is
good. Here is the goat. Zoom, zoom. How about this one? What's this?
this is cow.
Very good. How about this one? What is this?
This is horse.
Very good. And this one?
This is sheep.
Sheep. Very good. Sheep. How about, let's see.
This is swan.
Man, can you say that is a swan?
That is swan.
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 How about this one?
Hmm. This is pig.
Oink, oink, oink. Pig. How about the last one? What is this?
This is hen.
Can you say that is a chicken?
Oh, chicken, not
Ah.
hen.
Yes, hen and chicken is just the same. Okay, let's go back to Joanne and the goat. Can you encircle? Where are the O sound? Where are the O sound?
Oh, son.
Yes, can you encircle? Joanne saw a goat with a new coat. Encircle the O sound.
Go. Oh,
Mm,
son.
yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Mhm. Very good. Very good observation, Jeffrey. That is the O sound. Joanne and the goat in a new coat. Ooh. Oh.
I have this glass too.
Where? Where is your glass? You have the nose
Maybe
also?
I can't find it.
It's lost like this one.
My
Uh,
dog is coming.
okay. Now let's go. Can you encircle again? Where are the O sound? And Joanne saw a goat on the road with a toad. Where are the O sound again? Very good job, Jeffrey. Nice one. All right. Another star for Jeffrey. Very good. Oh, the toad has a big eye. Big eye, and the goat has the horn. Mm. All right, very good. Very great job. Teacher has a surprise for you. This is for
Ooh,
you. What is this?
yes.
Penguin?
Yes, penguin.
Penguin. How about
I
this
like
one?
so much.
Penguin?
Yes, they're
Penguin.
very.
Penguin
They're.
has a friend. Look, Penguin has a friend. Mr. Teddy.
I have the 5-1 dog and the kangaroo and the
Oh,
duck and the
hmm.
goat
Oh,
and
what else?
the horse
Horse.
and
You have the
the.
5-1 talk. You have Max, the 5-1 talk monkey?
Yes, I have.
Oh, really? Teacher don't have that one. Oh, lucky
I
for you, Jeffrey. But I have this one. Look. Look.
oh I
Look at
have
Max.
this.
Heart. Oh, what's that? You have the heart? Oh, teacher also have this heart. Look. Okay, very good job. Teacher is so happy. You're so intelligent. Now let's go. Okay, again, can you encircle this one? Can you give a chant?
Joe saw a goat with a log under the oak tree.
Very good. Joan saw a goat with a loaf under the oak tree. Can you encircle where is the loaf? Where are you, loaf?
Lo-
Where is the
Loaf?
loaf? Yes. Very good. Where is the oak?
Oak there.
Where is the, all right, very good. That is the oak. Very good job. How about this one? Can you give a chance?
Coast. Coast.
Okay. Okay, another one.
Joe saw a goat in a boat floating near the coast.
Very good. You know what, Jeffrey? You have a good pronunciation. I'll give you a big star for that. Very good, Jeffrey. You can pronounce very well, huh? You're good in English. Okay. Joanne saw a goat in a boat floating near the coast. Now, can you encircle where is the boat?
Oh, the boat is there.
All right, what's the color of the boat?
It's the brown.
Very good, brown. Where is the coast?
Coast. Near the coast.
Yes, where is the coast?
There.
This is the coast. See, look at teacher, the coast. This is the coast. The sea, it is the seashore.
Oh.
Coast, that, right?
Yes.
All right, that is a coast. Very good. This is the goat. This is the boat. Very good. This is the coast. This is the coast. And Joanne, look what did Joanne did. Saw. Joanne
Joe.
saw a boat. Saw a goat in a boat floating.
Near the coast.
Very good. Near the coast, like this one. Very good job, Jeffrey. Nice one. Okay, let's play a game. Let's help the goat not eaten by a shark. All right, now. Okay, can you read the sentence as fast as you can? Let's start in 3, 2, 1.
Joe saw a goat in a boat floating near the coast. Joe
Another
saw the
one.
goat in a boat floating near the coast. Joe saw the goat near the
Faster, faster, Joanne saw a goat. Oh my God. Very good.
Joe saw a goat in a boat floating near the coast.
Very good. So a goat floating near the coast. All right. Another one. Let's have a.
Goat floating near the coast. Joe saw a goat floating near the coast. Joe saw
Oh
a
my
goat
God.
in a boat floating near the coast.
You need to drink a lot of water. It makes you tired, huh? The game makes you tired. Jeffrey, drink a lot of water. Very good job. You were so energetic. Very good job, Jeffrey. Thank you so much. Teacher is happy. I will give you, what's this? I'll give you lots of fruits.
Lemon.
Oh, lemon. How about this one? What's this?
Pineapple.
Very good. Pineapple and lemon. Let's see. What is this? This one. What's this?
Strawberry.
Does strawberry has the O sound? Strawberry.
Yes.
Yes, it has O sound, but different spelling. Okay.
Yes.
Strawberry. How about this one? Does it has an O sound?
Yes.
Grapes.
Oh, no.
All right, very good. No, no, no. How about the lemon? Does it has a
No.
no?
No.
Very good job, Jeffrey. Nice one. Okay, now I can do it. Can you say what's the sound of this word? What's the sound of this word?
This part is O.
Oh, very good. And what's this?
This is goat. Coat. Road.
Very good.
Goat.
Chang chang charang chang.
Oh.
And another teacher will give you a look. What's this? Lots of rice.
Ice.
Lots of
Rice.
rice. Lots of rice because you did a very great job. Does rice has the O sound?
No.
All right. No. How about this one?
Monster.
That's a shark. Can you say shark?
Shark.
Shark. Very good. How about this one? Deer. Does a deer has the O sound, Jeffrey? No. Yes or no?
No.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Today, you learn about the O sound, the goat, the coat, the road, and the boat. Very good. You did a great job today, Jeffrey. You are so good in pronunciation. You have a good diction in English. Continue on reading and watching and reading English books, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you have your coat already. Is it very cold there?
That's very cool.
Oh, okay, but it's time to say bye-bye, okay? Let's sing bye-bye song, Jeffrey. Thank you for tonight.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy Thursday. Merry Christmas.
Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye, Jeffrey. Bye bye. Good